Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Curl Mix is probably one of the most versatile and effective hair products on the market for achieving defined, bouncy curls, and it's also suitable for various hair types and textures, making it a popular choice among people with curly or coily hair. In this video, we will deep dive into this product and explore its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your hair care routine. Number 5. Design Essentials Honey Curl Custard. It's specially designed to enhance your curls, leaving them defined and frizz-free. Enjoy a medium to firm hold that keeps your style looking great all day long. This formula is enriched with honey and chamomile to soften, soothe, and protect your hair during styling. It's gentle enough for even the most delicate curls. It provides a long-lasting, pliable hold without the typical flaky residue. You'll get all-day style without the crunch. It's formulated for curly, coily, and kinky hair, especially those that are dry or color-treated. It revitalizes your hair's natural luster. It's perfect for wash-and-go styles, finger coils, twists, band to knots, whatever your style, it will help you achieve it. For over 30 years, Design Essentials has empowered people to look and feel their best. We stand behind the quality of our products. What we like? It's a curl-defining custard that combats frizz and offers a long-lasting hold without the crunch. If you need a product that keeps your curls defined all day and night, this is the one for you. This is perfect for wash-and-go styles, twists, or band to knots, providing excellent hold and shine. What people say. This product works well to moisturize every curl strand. This keeps my hair soft, not crunchy, but enables me to keep the curls formed for up to 3 to 4 days with light water spritz each morning without washing my hair and starting the styling process over. It left my hair feeling soft, defines, shapes my natural curls and full of shine without weighing it down. I've noticed less frizz and more definition in my curls. Number 4. Scene Curly Cream. This dermatologist-developed cream is designed to enhance your curls without the crunch. It's fragrance-free and perfect for sensitive skin. It's safe for sensitive, acne-prone, and eczema-prone skin. This makes it suitable for a wide range of people. It features ingredients like hemisqualane for heat protection and bisabolol for soothing benefits. These ingredients work together to keep your curls looking and feeling their best. This curl cream is free of sulfates, silicones, parabens, and other harsh chemicals. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. It's clinically proven to be non-comedogenic and non-irritating. It reduces frizz, adds shine, and protects against UV rays and pollution. Experience the difference with Scene Curly Cream. Get defined, healthy-looking curls that are soft, shiny, and full of life. What we like? This is a fragrance-free, dermatologist-developed curly cream that's gentle on sensitive skin and protects against heat damage. If you have sensitive skin or are looking for a clean, effective curl cream, this is a great option. It's also perfect for those who want to protect their hair from heat styling. What people say. If you like applying a hair product and then scrunching your hair, this works very well to produce soft, shiny, curly hair. My hair is normally completely straight and I applied about a quarter's worth of product all over the ends of my hair. Then started scrunching and using the diffuser on my blow dryer. Seems to work great. I love that my hair is more glossy and very touchable. One tube of this cream is going to last a while. I also thought my hair dried a bit faster. I felt this cream works better than mousse in general because it does not make the hair crunchy or dried out. Just soft and beautiful. First she applies a decent amount, quarter size worth, of cream to soaking wet hair. After combing it through her, she applies an equal amount of gel. Her curls maintain their shape and there's less frizz. All hair products I've tried make my scalp, back and face break out. This doesn't make me break out at all. Love that it is not scented, leaves your hair soft and not crunchy, completely controls frizz. You can use it on dry or wet hair. When using it on dry, I just mix a little water on my hand and it's great. Number 3. Scene Curly On The Go Kit. This dermatologist-developed kit is perfect for maintaining your curls while traveling. It's vegan, non-comedogenic, and safe for even the most sensitive skin. This convenient set includes shampoo, conditioner, curl cream, and magic serum, all in travel-friendly sizes. Everything you need for healthy, frizz-free curls on the go. It reduces frizz, adds incredible shine, and protects your hair from UV rays, pollution, and heat damage up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's formulated without sulfates, silicones, parabens, or other harsh chemicals. It's safe for sensitive, acne-prone, and eczema-prone skin, and is PETA and Leaping Bunny approved. This kit is clinically proven to be non-comedogenic, non-irritating, and safe for sensitive skin. Experience healthy, happy curls with confidence. This kit is available in a fragrance-free version, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or fragrance sensitivities. Enjoy the benefits without the scent. What we like. It's a travel-sized kit with shampoo, conditioner, and styling products, perfect for keeping your curls healthy and defined on the go. If you're looking for a convenient way to maintain your curls while traveling, this kit is perfect. It's also formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin. What people say. This kit absolutely had me covered the last time I went on a trip. Sometimes you just need to be able to throw a complete kit in the bag and know you have everything you need. The shampoo and conditioner are fine, but I think what makes this kit special is the curly cream and the serum. The cream and serum help keep my curls controllable, with zero frizz or tangles. Should I decide to blow dry my hair and still keep my curls, these act as a heat protectant as well. I really like that it is free from the comedogenic ingredients and safe for sensitive skin. I did not care for the shampoo and conditioner, but really am loving the curly cream. I think it will be my new go-to as it calms down the frizz, makes my hair more manageable and is not greasy. Number 2. Moroccanoil Curl Defining Cream. This is the cream that will help you define your curls. It's formulated with argan oil and other nourishing ingredients to leave your curls looking and feeling their best. It's lightweight, so it won't weigh your curls down. And it's non-sticky, so you can easily style your hair. It hydrates and defines your curls, leaving them looking bouncy and healthy. It also helps to reduce frizz and flyaways. This cream enhances your natural curls, giving you beautiful, defined curls that last all day. It's perfect for all curl types. It's infused with argan oil, which is known for its nourishing, moisturizing properties. This helps to keep your curls healthy and hydrated. It's easy to use, simply apply it to your damp hair and style as usual. You'll see amazing results. What we like. This cream defines curls, adds shine, and provides hydration. If you're looking for a product that adds a beautiful sheen to your curls while keeping them defined, this is a great choice. It's perfect for adding moisture and shine to your curls. What people say. It makes my hair soft, ultra curly, defines the curls, keeps them in place so I don't need hairspray, eliminates bedheads so all I need to do is fluff and go. It gives my hair incredible definition without weighing it down or making it crunchy. My curls look natural, bouncy, and frizz-free all day long, even in humid weather. This stuff is a miracle cure for your hairstyle blues. It smells fantastic. This is also ultra hydrating and makes your hair super shiny and healthy looking, glossy, soft, touchable ringlets magically form and never greasy or crunchy like a gel or a lot of products, even high-end products, out there. Number 1. OUAI Curl Cream. It all started with you. We collaborated with 150 community members for over a year to perfect this curl cream. It's designed to work for all curl types, from loose waves to tight coils. This curl cream is a carefully crafted blend of oils. Linseed and chia seed oils define and shape curls, while coconut and babassu oils hydrate and add shine, leaving your hair healthy and frizz-free. OUAI is all about embracing your natural beauty. It's about realistic beauty and honest conversations. We're here to help you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. This curl cream is designed to simplify your hair care routine. It's quick and easy to use, nourishing your hair without weighing it down. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine. This luxurious curl cream is surprisingly affordable and easy to use. Whether you're doing a wash and go or a twist out, it delivers soft, defined curls without any sticky residue or crunch. Enjoy. What we like. It's a curl cream designed to hydrate, define, and add shine to your curls. If you are looking for a product that leaves your curls soft, shiny, and frizz-free, this is the one for you. It works well on various curl types and leaves no sticky residue. What people say. When I apply it to damp, clean hair, I can air dry my hair without it getting frizzy. It helps my naturally wavy hair stay wavy without parts of it going limp and frizzy. After using this product, my hair looks great, the waves are fuller, no frizz, hair looks healthy and most importantly, no feeling of residue oil. Finally, a curl creme I can use on wet or dry hair. My hair gets really frizzy and sometimes when it's not a wash day and I want to be able to tame the frizz quickly without wetting my hair. Many leave-in conditioners have a weird texture or leave some kind of residue, but this leaves it soft and light in my fine hair. Not sticky. It may be pricey, but I only needed a pea-size amount for half of my long hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.